So hey, what's going on? I came back out here again today, and I have my new helmet. What's going on is my GoPro. See, that's my old helmet. That's the mount of my old helmet. The thing is, on my new helmet, I'm gonna have to do like a temporary mount. So the problem is, it's gonna go like this. So it's gonna make some. What it is, it'll be pretty strong, but the sound. Hear that sound? You probably didn't hear that in the videos. No? Anyway, it's good for now. It's gonna be temporary. You know, like it's a new helmet, so what is gonna form a mount that goes on the front face right here. I want to fix something. So I mean, my helmet's pretty dope. You know, it's really badass. Look at that. And I don't want to, you know, obviously I don't want to do anything to the helmet, but I want to put the GoPro right here on the front and have it look as like it belongs there, like it should. Anyhow, I'm gonna get out of here, put the Hero 4 in, and I put the drone up today, but dude, it's like fucking 15, 24, yeah, I didn't say that, but anyway, it's like 15, 25 mile an hour winds. So the drone was just like fighting. So I'm like, all right, I'm bringing the drone in, and I'm just gonna attach the GoPro here, spend a couple hours up here on these mountains, and get some other footage and I'll upload it when I can. I keep saying that and I keep doing it, but seriously, I got some freaking footage. But anyhow, let's get up there and burn, dude. Alright guys, so my camera's out here pretty temporary, so I can't tell if the angle is proper. So we're gonna have to deal with it for today, and I'll see you whenever I'm home on the computer. My rhythm may be a little off. Usually really listening to music right now. I left it in the truck, but it's all the same. Just really want to burn it through there, you know? That's a little high. It came back. Saw the other edge on the other side. The bike's running really fucking sweet right now. It's only about 12 hours on the motor. It came in together pretty nice. Hopefully it stays that way. Sometimes you can't trust on your bike. You not doing it. All things stick together. There's a street roller right now, but it's all downhill and there's an edge right here. You can't go off the other side. I don't want to go over too fast. Sometimes I try it, but not right now. Not sure what happened there. Must have misshifted. Make sure the choke wasn't on. Kind of bogged out. That was weird. I think I upshifted, but just want to be safe, make sure the choke wasn't on. There's a highway we came up on. Pretty much an hour and 25 minutes total time to get up here. It's like a 55 minutes drive, but by the time you get loaded, situated, hour and 25 minutes.